welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to get on the data in a distant relation. For example, I want to get all the reviews of a specific category. So I have a category, in there are books, and the books have reviews. And I want to know how many reviews there are in a certain category. We can do this by for each looping over all the categories, then for each looping over all the books and counting their reviews. But in this case, we're going to use something called hasManyThrough. So yeah, just let's dive into it and I'll show you what's going on. All right, so we have the same project as before, but this time I did a few things in the background. I run a few seeders extra to have a category on every book, and every book has many, every category has many books. So I have non-fiction, sport, fiction, history, tech, and I think that's it. So, all right, so how do we get the distant relation of our category? Well, we're going to add another function here, public function, let's say reviews in category like that, and that's actually going to return this arrow has many, and it's also prompting it already, hasManyThrough. And the first parameter is actually the relation that we want to have, and then the second parameter is the true relation. So in our case, this will be review and book. So review, oh my god, I can't type anymore. Review, and we're going to get it through the book model. So book clause. There we go. So that should do the trick. And just for testing purposes, I'm going to quickly open a command terminal here, and I'm going to create a command. So artisan make command, and we're going to category reviews like that. There we go. Category reviews. Call it CWB. CWB. Check reviews like that. And in here, I'm going to use the app models category, because that's the point we're going to get started. And we're actually going to make a variable. Category is actually category, and I want to know all the categories with count of the relation, and we called it reviews in category. There we go. And throw a get after that, and I'm just going to dump or die the category. Oh, this is not going to work. It's actually categories and categories like that. And I want it to be to array. So, to array. Oh, no, not requests to array like that. And if I now PHP run the command, PHP artisan CWB check reviews, and it's a capital R. Oh, and I really can't type today, I'm very sorry. Check reviews, and I'm going to open this up. So I have the category fiction, it has 16 reviews, category non-fiction 10, sport has 11, tech has 7, and history also has 16 reviews. So that's actually how we can use the hasManyThrough method on a model to collect distant relation data, to do stuff with it, And I think this is a kind of awesome feature in Laravel. So yeah, if you learned something from it today, like and subscribe and share this video. It helps a lot. So thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.